Welcome you guys on my YouTube channel Pharma Learning with Deepika. In my previous video lectures on size reduction, I had discussed equipment which is used for size reduction, that is ball mill, hammer mill, fluid energy mill and rotary cutter mill. The link of my previous videos is in the description box. Now I will discuss with you about another size reducing equipment which is roller mill. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe it and share my videos with your friends and family members. Roller mill is based on the principle of stress. So when the material is crushed, stress is applied by rotating heavy wheels, mullers or rollers. Now let's talk about the construction of roller mill. So roller mill is a form of compression mill that uses a single, double or triple cylinder. They are mounted horizontally and rotated about their longitudinal axis, either in the opposing pair or against the flat plates, to crush and grind various materials. One of the roller is run by a motor and the other are rotated by friction as the material is drawn through the gap between the rollers. Roller mills use the process of stress, as we already discussed, and attrition in milling of solid and suspension, paste or ointments and some solid materials. The roller rotates at different speed as the material is sheared as it passes through the gap. So to obtain the desired particle size, the following should be controlled. First one is the gap. Second one is the speed differential between the rolls and the feed rate. So we have to take care about these three things. Now, the design of a roller mill differ depending upon its application and they are usually named according to the work they perform. Example, first one is the crackers. So, it is used to crack grains or other type of friable material. Now, flackers. So, it is used to flack grains or other material. Now grinders. So roller mills that are used to grind in a feed mill. Now crimpers. Roller mill that crimp grains and crimper. Crackers, a roller mill that cracks and at the same time crimp grains. Now last one is the crumbler. A roller mill is specially designed for breaking up pellets into smaller particles. So, two variants are available of roller mill. First one is the multiple or coagulated roller and the second one is the ribbed or sawtooth roller. Now let's talk about the working. So, the material is crushed between the two cylindrical surfaces and which can be smooth or either it is having teeth or grooves on it. So all of this selected according to the nature of the product and the milling required. So the space between the cylinder is set based on the required particle size. Whatever the particle size you need, you have to give that much gap between the two cylinders. So this type of milling generates very little fine matter. The compressive force between the two cylinders is ensured by the set of spring or by the hydraulic piston. Now let's talk about some pharmaceutical uses. So basically it is used in the preparation of ointment, paste, creams and other semi-solid preparations. Roller mills are used for crushing seeds prior to extraction. Now let's talk about the advantages of roller mill. So basically roller mill produces uniform, fewer fines and oversized particle when it comes to the product quality. Next advantages is it generates lesser heat as compared to the hammer mill. Less moisture loss, better work environment due to the low machine noise level and it is energy effective or you can say that energy saving machine. Reduce working hazard due to the dust generation from the milling material. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of the roller mills. Not effective on the fibrous or two-dimensional product and it requires additional operators inputs since the roll needs to be adjusted to suit the grind requirements. Thank you guys. Meet you with the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Till then, bye bye. Take care.